The US dollar is recovering losses after a decline caused by the news that the US inflation accelerated to 40-year high. Meanwhile, investors are getting ready for the Fed's meeting that is scheduled for March 15-16. The regulator is likely to raise the benchmark rate at least by 25 basis points. However, the existing rise in consumer prices may force the Fed to take more radical measures. In our video calendar on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out what other events may shape traders' sentiment. Early next week, the UK will publish some reports supporting the positive news flow that began at the end of this week. The Office for National Statistics is going to disclose information on the UK labour market condition. According to the forecast, the number of unemployed people will continue falling. Thus, the number of unemployed claims may also decline by 25,000, preceding the series of negative readings. In addition, the January report on the unemployment rate may unveil a drop to 4% from 4.1%. And this data is likely to support the pound sterling, though only for a short period of time. At the same time, the Eurozone is likely to issue a disappointing report. The number of optimists in Germany's business sphere may slump. Thus, the ZEF economic sentiment indicator may decrease below zero, like in October of 2021, when the main Eurozone economy was on the edge of a new epidemiological crisis. This time, pessimism is caused by geopolitical problems, including the situation in Ukraine, rising prices of commodities, and sanctions against one of the main trade partners of Germany. Against the backdrop, the euro is expected to resume losing value. On Wednesday, traders will switch their attention to the publications from Canada. The country will disclose its consumer price index data for February. Notably, the Bank of Canada raised the benchmark rate to 0.5% at the meeting held on March 2. In February, inflation may accelerate to 5.4% per annum, reaching its highest level since September of 1991. Investors will hardly show an unexpected reaction, as they understand that the regulator's measures will influence inflation only in several weeks. However, in March, the situation may change considerably due to higher commodities prices and the present geopolitical tension. In addition, traders will be more interested in the news flow from the United States. Notably, retail sales is one of the key indicators of the US economy. The fact is that consumer spending accounts for more than two-thirds of the US GDP. That's why changes in retail sales will point to the future trend in the world's largest economy. According to the forecast, the future of the US economy is quite ambiguous. In February, retail sales inched up by 0.4%, whereas on a yearly basis, the indicator jumped by 15%. That's why the greenback is likely to go on gaining in value. Great demand for the US dollar could be explained by the expectations of the FOMC meeting results. Market participants have been long speculating over the key interest rate hike by 50 basis points at the March meeting. However, the monetary authorities are likely to raise the benchmark rate just by 25 basis points to 0.5%. Such a decision could be taken amid the current geopolitical situation and risks to the global economy. In our video reviews on InstaForex TV channel, we will tell you how these and other events will develop. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.